How to archive Reels on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to archive Reels on Instagram, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the Instagram app on my phone. You can see that I have a reel right here because it has this reel symbol in the top right corner, but I want to remove this reel from here. So what I need to do is to click on this symbol right here. In here you will be able to see all of your reels that you have on your Instagram account. So I'm going to choose that reel that I just saw on my profile, which is this one right here. What I need to do now is to click on these three dots right here. Now, as you can see, there's no button to directly archive this reel, but what I'm going to do instead is to click where it says remove from profile grid. What will happen now is that the reel disappears from here, as you can see. What you can also do is to go back to the reel and then click where it says save to camera roll, and then you can click on delete because you will now have the reel saved in your camera roll. So if you want to post it again, then you can just once again upload it to your Instagram app. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.